Hello, welcome to Programming Academy. And today, guys, we are going to create exactly like this dashboard. So our full stack course is exactly like this dashboard. You see, guys, how it looks. This is an Indonesian company. It's a very big company, and they're using big data. And also, you see how many amount of data they're using, and then we are going to create the same way like this. So our dashboard for full stack looks exactly like same like this one. Like you want to watch how it looks inside. Look, guys, this uh, data it looks. So this big company data it's look exactly like this one. So we are going to handle like a big data. It's a big data. How you are going to guys do it? So you are going to learning with the programming academic. You are going to learning everything step by step. We are going to create a full stack dashboard for big company. So step by step, guys. Guys, if you are new, like subscribe and then go to watch my previous videos and then come back to here. So guys, but if you are already following, let's go to I want to sharing my dashboard and then let's go to learning together. Okay. Still sharing here. Okay. So this is the same guys that what we saw in previous and yeah, it's also very big data because we were using this the big data for accidents. It's a very huge data and guys, if you don't see here, look here on this here. Look guys, this is a very big data. Look how it's look. It's a huge data. So we are using this data, guys. We can't see already because it's a very big data. And then so step by step, guys, you are going to see everything. And yes, and let's go back in our dashboard and then to learning how to create it. Guys, just come to here and then to click it 2 times like this, and then come to here, and then copy it, and then here I already copy it, and guys like this. Then come to here to use this one exactly where you want us to use here. Okay, and then guys come to here and then come to here. Last to use again double click, guys, and then we're using this security. Take like this. And then guys come to drag here. If you drag it here, there is going to be for many filters on page. Then if you drag this here, then it's going to be whole data. So remember this one how to guys use. So drag it here in this fields, how it's going to change. So now we already filters. This one our filters. This one our serious injuries, guys. If how many in 2 years or in past 3 years, how many people they injured. So this one, the 7. Then we want to go to slide. How many is the slides? Let's go to yours. Look, so this is the guys, how many slides injured. In this way, guys, how to control your big data. So I hope guys you are learning new things here. Then because I'm doing step by step everything here, because everyone can follow the same way I'm doing here. So I want to everyone to understanding and everyone can learning the same way we're doing. Then so we almost done how to create our dashboard. So only we are going to there's a few things like we are going to learning like how to using the chart and then so on and the mapping, so because we are going to target in the countries and so on, then we are so this is what we are going to do. Guys, see you in my next tutorial.